Good morning, students. I hope you are well at your side. Today we will continue. We will start new chapter, chapter number 5, primary activities of the book Fundamental of Human Geography. Primary activities, we already know that the economic activity, human activities which generate income, economic activity the human activities which generate income is called economic activity. ऐसी एक्टिविटी, those activity which are performed to generate any type of income is called the economic activities. Following are the main activities of man. In these economic activities, there are four types of economic activities. These are primary activities, secondary activities, tertiary activities, and quaternary activities. These are the four types of activities are classified of the economic activities. Primary activities are those activities through which man fulfill his needs and desire by using resources which are gifted to man by nature. इंसान अपनी जो ज़रूरतें हैं, नीड्स हैं, उनको फुलफिल करता है. वो किससे करता है? बाय यूजिंग रिसोर्सेज विच आर गिफ्टेड टू मैन बाय नेचर, जो नेचर ने मैन को गिफ्ट में दी है. इट मीन्स नेचुरल एक्टिविटीज, नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. दीज एक्टिविटीज आर डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड विथ नेचर. ये एक्टिविटीज नेचर से कनेक्टेड हैं. गैदरिंग, हंटिंग एंड लंबरिंग. गैदरिंग, hunting, lumbering, agriculture, fishing, mining, quarrying, fishing, mining, quarrying, forestry areas, animals herding and cattle rearing in the grasslands, fishing in water bodies, obtaining milk, meat and hides and skins from animals. तो animal husbandry, animal husbandry or animal rearing for the different types of products, obtaining and growing agriculture crops in fertile lands and obtaining minerals from the mines are some of the outstanding example of primary activities. These are the examples of primary activities which are related direct to natures. These activities are carried on in almost all parts of the world, but such activities have special significance in Asia, Africa, America and the North Polar regions. Most of the primary activities are simple and conventional and reflect primitive economic and social structure. गैदरिंग है, गैदरिंग फॉरेस्ट्री से रिलेटेड है. गैदरिंग मीन्स है कि कलेक्टिंग ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स. हंटिंग, शिकार करना. लंबरिंग, लंबरिंग में जो एनिमल्स फॉरेस्ट एरियाज में जो हंटिंग और गैदरिंग की जाती है. एग्रीकल्चर, फिशिंग, माइनिंग, क्वेरिंग, एनिमल हस्बेंड्री एटसेट्रा आर द प्राइमरी एक्टिविटीज. And the main activities of primary activity sector is the agriculture. So these are activities which are directly related to nature. and so these activities are called the primary activities. Secondary activities, the occupation which produce finished goods by using the products of primary activities. इन प्राइमरी एक्टिविटीज से जो रॉ मटेरियल मिलते हैं उनसे जो फिनिश्ड गुड्स बनाए जाते हैं, फिनिश्ड गुड्स प्रोड्यूस, इन्हीं प्राइमरी एक्टिविटीज से जो रॉ मटेरियल ऑब्टेन होते हैं, उन रॉ मटेरियल से जो फिनिश्ड गुड्स प्रोड्यूस किए जाते हैं. द ऑक्यूपेशन which produced finished goods by using the product of primary activities as raw materials are included in secondary activities. Manufacturing of cloth from cotton, तो manufacturing industries, manufacturing cloth from cotton, sugar from sugarcane, steel from iron ore are important examples of secondary activities. Thus, all manufacturing industries are included in the secondary activities. तो जितनी भी एक्टिविटीज जो प्राइमरी एक्टिविटीज हैं, उन एक्टिविटीज से जो फिनिश्ड गुड्स प्रोड्यूस किए जाते हैं या मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज हैं, उनमें जितने भी आइटम तैयार किए जाते हैं और उनमें जो एक्टिविटीज हैं, दोज एक्टिविटीज आर कॉल्ड द सेकेंडरी एक्टिविटीज. टर्शियरी एक्टिविटीज कंसिस्ट ऑफ ऑल सर्विस ऑक्यूपेशंस. तो इसमें आएंगे ऑल सर्विस ऑक्यूपेशंस. सर्विस ऑक्यूपेशंस जितने भी हैं, all are included in the tertiary sector. Such activities are also called service activities. उन activities को service activities भी कहेंगे. And in these activities, transport, communication, trade, health services, health, education, administration, these services are included in the tertiary activities. People engaged in tertiary activities do not produce anything directly but provide service to the society by dint of their efficiency and technological advancement. ये डायरेक्टली कोई प्रोड्यूस नहीं करते हैं कोई, बट ये प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी एक्टिविटीज हैं, उनको सपोर्ट देती हैं. सो दीज एक्टिविटीज आर द टर्शियरी एक्टिविटीज और सर्विस एक्टिविटीज. क्वाटरनरी एक्टिविटीज, जीन गॉटमन has included only direct service in the category of tertiary activity. According to him, indirect services should be treated as quaternary activity. तो जो प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी को डायरेक्ट सर्विस देती हैं, दोज एक्टिविटीज आर द इंक्लूड इन टर्शियरी एक्टिविटीज. बट जो इनडायरेक्टली देती हैं, इनडायरेक्टली सर्विस देती हैं, दोज एक्टिविटीज आर कॉल्ड एज ट्रीटेड एज क्वाटरनरी एक्टिविटीज. फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, research, teaching, leadership, administration, etc. are to be treated as quaternary activities. Thus, the occupation of scientists, doctors, lawyers, teachers, leaders, administrators, policemen, writers, artists, musicians are included in the quaternary activity. तो जो indirect service देते हैं, those activities are termed as the quaternary activities or called as the quaternary activities. So we repeat again The economic activities, all activities which are generate income are called the economic activities, and all economic activities are included in the four activities: primary activities, secondary activities, tertiary activities and quaternary activities. Primary activities are those activities which are performed direct to nature: gathering, hunting, lumbering, agriculture, fishing, mining, quarrying, animal husbandry are the primary activities. Secondary activities, the raw material obtained from the primary activities are prepare or produce the finished goods, or manufacturing industries are called the secondary activities. Tertiary activities, all services, occupations and like the transport, communication, trade, health, etc. The direct services are linked to tertiary activities or service activities, and quaternary activities, indirect services, are categorized as quaternary activities, highly qualified activities. Research, teaching, leaderships are the example of quaternary activities.